So dear students, let's start the activity tessellations. We all are having like this scale. On this scale, on the top of this scale, there are the measurements in centimeters, and at the bottom there are the measurements in inches. We need the measurements in inches. So let's draw the square of 8 by 8 inches as mentioned in the book. Here we have to draw the line at the bottom of the drawing paper of 8 inches. So I will make points on 8 inches distance, and I have drawn the line of 8 inches. Now I will label the line with the names A and B. Now we have to increase the line from the points A and B. Okay. Now insert your pencil in the rounder and take any small measurement and draw 2 arcs from point A and B on the line like this. Here I have drawn like these arcs from the point A and B on the 8 inches line. Okay. Now we will take more than half distance of the AB line, and we will firstly we have to mark these 2 arcs PQ, P1, Q1. Okay. Then we have to make arcs at the upside part of this line. Okay.
We are the kings and queens. We are the shining dreams. We are the kings and queens.
Now
we are the shining dreams. We nurture sunshine, embrace the wind. We have the scientific seal and power to install. We want the whole horizon. We want the whole horizon. Yes, we are Boda. Yes, we are Boda. Yes, we are Boda. Yes, we are Boda.
draw. Now check the distance. Yes, it is properly of 8 inches from bottom and top. Now we will mark on these lines on 8 inches. This is 8 here. Now mark on 8 inches by both of the sides, here and here. And join them together with the line
we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha.
Yes. And now label their with the names C and
Excellent is
we
the
have to divide this 8 by 8 inches square into 4 small same squares. So we have to mark on 4 inches on each side.
Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. We are the kings and queens. We are the shining dreams. We are the kings and queens.
Yes, we have
are the
marked on 4 inches on 4 sides. Now we will join the line.
We want the whole horizon. We want the whole horizon. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are.
Now again we will divide this each square into 4 parts. So we have to make marking on 2 inches now.
है संस्कृति हमारी हर मुश्किल हमसे हारी हम आसमां को छूने की रखते हैं तैयारी Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha. बापू ने देखा सपना हमने उसको साकारा विश्वास सत्य निष्ठा से चमके बन के ध्रुव तारा We are Buddha. Yes, we are Buddha.
And we will join these points with the line.
Excellence is the key. We make our own destiny. Smiling faces, passionate souls. That's what we are. Yes, we are Buddha.
And
Yes,
our
we are
each square is divided into 4 small squares.
Yes, we are Buddha.
So I have divided here 4 squares and I have labeled it here. In the middle center I have given the label O. Then I have started from this O1, O2, O3, O4 and then in internal sides O5, O6, O7 and O8. And also I have given the labels to these small squares also, division of small squares. I, J, K, L, M, N, P and Q. Why I have labeled it? Because of the labels it will be easier to understand how to draw the tessellations and circles. Okay, so let's start. Our next instruction is Draw a circle inside each square as shown in the book. So now I will start to draw the circle. Firstly, I will insert my pencil in the compass. And we have to take the measurement from, firstly I will draw the center part, the circle in the center part. We have to take the radius from O to any of this side.
Excellence is the key. We make our own destiny.
Yes. By the same way, I will draw the circle from O1 point.
Yes, we are Bodha. Yes, we are Bodha. Yes, we are Bodha. Yes, we are Bodha.
From O2 also. O3.
We are the kings and queens. We are the shining dreams. We are the kings and queens.
O4.
We are the shining dreams. We nurture sunshine and bring
Now.
the wind. We have the scientific zeal and power to enthrall. We want the whole horizon. We
From
want the whole horizon.
these sides we will draw the semicircles like this from F to O5. Okay. From G point, F, G, H and E. From these sides we will draw the semicircles.
संस्कृति हमारी हर मुश्किल हमसे हारी हम आसमां को छूने की रखते हैं तैयारी Yes we are Bodha Yes we are Bodha
Now we have to draw a quarter part of the circle from these corners A, B, C and D.
बापू ने देखा सपना हमने उसको साकारा विश्वास सत्य निष्ठा से चमके बन के ध्रुव तारा We are Bodha Yes we are Bodha Excellence is the key. We make our own destiny. Smiling faces, passionate souls. That's what we are.
Yes. And our tessellations drawing is completed. Now we have to outline this with the black sketch pen.
We are Bodha.
I have outlined my tessellations with black sketch pen and I have erased all the unwanted markings and lines with eraser. So you also have to draw the square and tessellations first. We will color the picture in next video. Thank you.